fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Now today's topic is congruency of our triangles. In my previous video, I already discussed about what is congruency, what is the rules of the congruency, what is the properties of the congruency. Now I revise this one and I just discuss in this video few examples under the congruencies. Okay, now I give the revision also. This is the revision and what is the rules of congruency. Okay, this is the rules. First rule I already discussed in my previous class. This is SAS. That means side angle side. When two triangles having two sides are same and in between angles are equal, then we say the two triangles are congruent. But listen carefully. This is not a congruency properties. This is not a, or like this also. Two sides and any other angle and one angle and any other two sides. If two sides and this one angle, two sides are equal and this angle also be equal, then we cannot say these two triangles are congruent because of just to listen carefully and look at this. If this side and this side are equal and this side and this side must be the equal and the angles, this angle also be the equal, why I cannot say this by this property? This is not the congruency property. Because of congruency means each two triangles are same in by the same size and same shapes also and area also be equal. If I think so, these two sides are equal and these two are equal and equal, then it not be the equal. Yes, because of this is you can stretch this one. You can stretch this one. The angle must become the larger. This is the smaller angle and this is the larger angle. By this property, we cannot say two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent because of two triangles are as same as same size, same shape, same areas. If to use this property, we cannot say these two angles are obviously equal. We cannot say. Okay, that's why I cannot use this property as a congruency property. This congruency rules also. Okay, now the first rules of congruency is side angle side. If two sides and in between angles are equal, then we must say these two triangles are congruent. Obviously, automatically by the congruence property, by the corresponding properties of by CPCT, we must say this angle are equal and this angle are equal and these sides are equal by CPCT. You can prove this one using by any activity. You can make two triangles in your home by sticks. You can prove this theorem by using any activity. You make two triangles using six parts of sticks. You can use this property as a congruency property by the proof. You can the activity. By any activity you can do using these properties. Okay. Now this is not the congruency property. The congruency property, first property is this one. And the second property is angle, side angle. And the third property is angle, side. And the fourth property is side. And the fifth property is in the right angle triangle, RHS. R means right angle, H means hypotenuse, S means side. Okay, these 5 properties you can use as a congruency rules. You can use these 5 properties and you say these two triangles are congruent. You cannot use this property as a congruency property, and you cannot use angle as a congruency property. You cannot use, okay, and this property you cannot use as a congruency property. You can use only a side angle side. You can use angle side angle, and you can use angle side. You can use side, and you can use RHS. You cannot use this one. You cannot use this one. You cannot use this one as a congruency rules. Okay. Now I discuss few sums under these properties. Okay. Now I take an example under these properties. What is this? AD and BC are equal perpendicular. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. The given is AD is equal to BC, and this is the perpendicular also on the same line segment AB. Then show that CD is equal to AB. You have to prove that CD like this. This one is equal to this is. Okay. By using proving this one, we want to prove these two triangles. Prove this one. We just use the congruency property. Just now first I prove these two triangles are congruent. By the CPCT we can say these two sides are must be equal. Okay. Now I take, and this is I just start proof here. I take two triangles in just to look at the what is the process of writing of this sum. These sum are all you can all the sums are the same process. Just you follow the one process. I think so. You just you can able to do the another sum last because of this. Under these properties, under these properties, you can collect the any sums, and just you follow this process. I think you can be able to complete these sums. Okay. Now I just take two triangles in triangle OBC and triangle OAD. The given data is what is the given data? BC is equal to AD. This is the given data. Okay. This is the given condition. And the another condition is the right angle. Angle OAD is equal to angle OBC is equal to 90 degree. This is also be given. Okay. And then another point is these two angles are equal because of these two angles are opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. All of you know, I just discussed previous classes when I discussed the angles of angle properties, angles, lines, angles. When I discussed which video, this video I already discussed the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now I write DOA is equal to COB. Just you write like this. This is vertically opposite angle. That's why these two angles are equal. And we use which property of congruency? Which property? This is angle side. Angle side property. Or by which property? By angle side. We can say by angle side, we can say these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. Do you know na? This is the congruency sign. All of you know na? I already discussed. This is the congruency sign. Okay. And now by the CPCT, we can say by CPCT, we can say these sides and these sides are equal and these sides and these sides are equal. Okay. Now by the CPCT, we can prove what is proof. The proving is so that CD is bisect AD. Not equal. Sorry. This is I already discussed when I discussed the question. This is the proving CD is bisect the side AB. That's why this side and this side are equal and this side and this side are equal. Okay, by simplicity we can write OD is equal to OC and AO is equal to OB. Okay, we can write by simplicity these and these are equal. Okay, and just from these properties we can write this is the proving CD. That implies you write just here CD bisect AB. Okay, CD bisect OAB. This is the proof. Okay, this is the proving. What is the proving? I just discussed the sum again. The sum is this: AD and BC are equal. AD and BC are equal and perpendicular to the line segment, AB. That's why A and B are 90 degrees. Show that CD bisect AB. CD bisect AB. Okay. Now I think the sum is clear to all, and before going to the next part of the video, just to pause it and write in your copy, and otherwise you can take a screenshot also, and then you just go to the next part of the video and I discuss the another sums under this congruency property. Just you take a screenshot or write in your copy also. Okay, now you go to the next part of the video. Now I discussed two sums under this congruency property. The first I read this question. What is this? L and N are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines. This is the parallel lines. P and Q show that A, B, C is equal congruent C, D, A. These two triangles are congruent. By using the congruency property, I prove these two triangles are congruent. Now going to prove. All of you please, you copied this sum. Because of this is the same rule, this is the same process. You can collect anywhere from the sum. And by properties of congruency, the process are same. That's why I repeatedly telling, please you copy this one. Okay. Now I check in triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Just now I take these two triangles and these two lines are, and the given data is, and the given data is L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. That implies we must say L parallel to M and MC is the transversal. Then I say these two angles are equal because these two angles are alternate. These two angles are alternate angle. Okay. This gives that these and these are parallel. We can say now I write angle DAC is equal equal to angle ACB as L parallel to A and AC is transversal. AC is transversal. Okay, you have to write this is. That's why these and these angles are equal and this is the alternate angle. Okay, and now I also write these angle and these angle are equal as these two angles are alternate. P and Q are parallel, which is given data. Now in the second property I can write here, this is the first, and the second property I write here, this is angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. BAC and ACD are equal as alternate, and you can write also as P and Q are parallel and PQ parallel line and AC is transversal and AC is transversal. Okay, AC is transversal. Now the third property is this is AC is equal to AC. This is common line. This is common line. That's why by using which property? Which property? Angle, side. Or you can write angle, side, angle. By which property? Angle, side, angle. We can write these two triangles are ABC, congruent triangle ACD. This is ABC is equal to congruent triangle ABC congruent triangle CDA. CDA we can write like this. ABC is equal to CDA also we can write these two triangles are congruent. This is the proof. Okay. Just you going to the next part, you just write it down and you can take a screenshot also. This is very important sum also under the congruency of triangle. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to this sum, which is the sum. The sum is this. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. I just draw an isosceles triangle ABC and ADR and altitude, that means this is 90. Altitude and AB is equal to AC also. So that AD bisect BC, that means this side and this side are equal, and second one AD is bisect angle A also. This angle and this angle are equal. This is the meaning of the question. Now I am going to prove. How to prove? I just write here. Now you just write proof here with the same property. You can guess also. If you prove these two triangles are congruent, then by the simplicity we can write these angle and these angle are equal. These sides and these sides are equal. Just to prove the congruency. Okay. Now you take triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle ADC, and the first given property is, this is the given data, AB is equal to AC. This is given data. Because of this is this triangle ABC is isosceles. Okay. This is isosceles triangle. That's why this side and this side are equal. This is given. Okay, and another thing is given is this is angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. As here is given the altitude. Altitude means 90 degree. This is also given. And another thing is this, AD is equal to AD is common line. This is common line. Okay. Now by which property you can use here? I can use here which property? RHS. R means right angle, H means hypotenuse. This is the opposite sides of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Here AB is the hypotenuse, here AC is the hypotenuse, and the RH is on another side, AD is also equal. Okay, by using which property? RHS. We use RHS property. We can say triangle ABD congruent triangle ABC also. And by CPCT we can say these sides BD is equal to DC and angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, and that implies you must write by this implies the AD bisect BC, and this is the first one proof, and this is also AD bisects angle A. This is second one proof. Now my question is proved here. Okay, before going to the next part of the video, you just pause the video, and this is the angle separate sum. Okay. Now, this is the separate sum. You, before going to the next part of the video, you pause here and you take a screenshot also. Okay, this is one sum and this is another sum. You take a screenshot. You can write, if you want, you can write in your copy also, because of this is very important sum under this chapter. Okay, now next video I just use under this chapter, and more sums, more explanation, more things. If you want to more things about this chapter, you must watch of my video. Okay, now if you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. Now that's all for today. Stay safe, stay at home. Now thank you very much.